Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to. We have a problem, but I'm not saying I don't know. I'm gonna show you my issue. So I've been here for 24 hours trying to fix something which I thought I could fix. Um, this is the error which comes. Tray 2 is open. Make sure the paper you want to use is loaded, and then close the tray to continue printing from this tray. So look, I've been doing this. I find a tray. This is tray 2. It talks about tray 2. So some people to say that putting the paper so nicely, right? Then you take out the tray completely, and then you play with the guides so that everything comes fine, of which I've been doing. Then you push in the tray inside. Okay, once you push it in, still can see this. Even if you hide and trying to print, nothing's gonna happen. So you take out tray 1, you do the same thing. So I've been doing that, but still there was no win. Up until I discovered something, guys. I don't know if this is the issue with yours, but I'm dealing with the HP OfficeJet Pro 9023. So now some little things can make things bigger. So what I did, I switch off this, took out of power, I took out to this guy, and I took out this guy. Then I had to make the machine sit this way, but okay, it's fine. Then I had to analyze the sensors for tray 2, right? I guess you understand what I'm saying. So the reason why it's like this, it's because there's one of the sensors cannot be seen. Let me see. The sensor is here. You can see when it's pressed, that little hook moves. That simply means if it's pushed in, the tray should show that there is papers inside. So now I discovered the client, what they did, they broke this hook here. There was a hook which comes from here. When you push in the tray, it goes and push. Let me see if you can see. Push this little guy here, and then that's a sensor. Then it shows that well, there is no tray 2, so that is our problem. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to use a tissue or whatever, because this is broken, which means I need to get a new tray. Or I don't know if what you can do but you need to get a new tray, because this little thing, I don't know if you can do with plastic or whatever. So me, what I wanna do, I wanna put a wire or something which can pull this thing, which can push this thing down. So permanently, it's gonna be like that. That's the trick I'm going to do. I'm gonna roll some paper or some whatever, or some little plastic, whatever I get, to roll it to make it be there and don't shift, so that I do what? I make this thing go inside. Get me? So it should be inside. But I don't want to break the sensor. I want the sensor to be like permanently inside. I'm gonna push it inside so that all the time it should be there. So that's the only trick, guys, I'm gonna do. Apart from that, I don't have any other plan. So that's the plan I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get something, then I push in there. So you can find your way, but me, that was the issue. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. I'm gonna do that. Guys, well, after putting the copy, I used a bubble. There's something called that bubble stuff, like it's like a plastic bubble. Call it bubble what? I got it here. Instead of using a tissue, because the tissue gets messed up quickly, I use this bubble wrap paper. Opened it, get a little bit of more of it. Then I pushed it in the sensor I showed you. Now, I don't see that problem anymore. I can make copies. You get me? So what else? I can make copies. You can see. Let me do this. No errors anymore. Copy. Can you see? You can make copies, so no stress. Everything is fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.